Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Yeah, back, back, back. Till you see it back, back, yeah. Back, back, back. Till you see it from the back. Yeah, back, back, back. Till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like to keep on wanting more. You ask me, told you where you at, huh?
What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing another lip lookbook. Recently on TikTok, these new Milky glosses from NYX have been trending, and I picked up 4 different shades. So if you would like to see what they look like on my complexion, then definitely keep watching. First off, if you are not subscribed, definitely subscribe to my channel. It's lit over here. I do lip lookbooks, wig reviews, makeup reviews, China hauls, vlogs, the whole 9. So definitely subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload, and let's get into today's video. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is this is Milky gloss in the shade Milk and Honey. This is like a really pretty nude gloss. It looks like this. The wand is pretty nice and pretty standard. It's similar to like their other glosses from NYX. To line my lips, I'm using Chestnut by MAC. That is what I will use for all of these glosses. It's my favorite brown lip liner. So let's try it out.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Yeah, back, back, back. Till you see it back, back, yeah. Back, back, back. Till you see it from the back. Yeah, back, back, back. Till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like to keep on wanting more.
So this one is Milk and Honey. It smells really good. Like, it smells similar to like cake, but also milky at the same time. It has a really nice sheen to it. It reminds me of the gloss that comes in the Shine Loud lipstick. So on one side it has the lipstick, and on the other side it has a gloss. It reminds me of that because it's super shiny, very lightweight, not sticky at all. The color is really faint though, so it just looks like I kind of have on a clear gloss with my brown lip liner, but still really pretty. Okay, well, so that is Milk and Honey. Let's go ahead and take this off and do the next shade. It's Cookies and Milk, so it looks like this. It's like a nude gloss. All of them are kind of nude except the pinkish one. This one looks like a taupe brown. This one I feel like has a little bit more pigmentation than Milk and Honey. I was kind of scared that they would all be kind of like, and this way you can kind of build up too if you want more color. Alright guys, let's try the next color. I'm just going to take this off, leaving as much lip liner as I can, because we're just gonna line our lips with Chestnut again. So the next color that we'll go in with is Milk the Cocoa. So it looks like this. It's like the darkest shade that I got. Same applicator and everything like that. Let's try it on. This is really dark, oh my gosh. So these two are really pigmented, both Cookies and Milk and Milk the Cocoa. Okay you guys, so let's take this off and do the last color, which is Milk the Pink.
You can see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, 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 till you see it back, back, yeah. Back, 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 till you see it from the back. Yeah, back, 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 till you see it from the back. If you can see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Bring that ass over, doors, you bring it back, back, back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat, cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit, I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even act. Come relax, let it attack, but you wanna act. Take a look.
guys, so that wraps up this lip lookbook. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite shade. I think it's between Milky Pink and Cookies and Milk for me. I really liked how Milk and Honey and Milky Pink were kind of more of the transparent, more lighter shades, while Milk and Cocoa and Cookies and Milk were really pigmented. Let me know which was your favorite. I love the sheen of all of them. I love how they feel. So I'll definitely be picking up more in the future. Let me know if you've tried out the new NYX Milky glosses, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Yeah, back, back, back. Till you see it back, back, yeah. Back, back, back. Till you see it from the back. Yeah, back, back, back. Till you see it from the... If you could see it from the front.